I'm going to explain in this video the 3 major reasons why you are not getting donations and how to fix it. So a few months ago, I made a video called how to set up your donation button, how to accept donations on Twitch and YouTube when you are streaming, just so you can make a little extra buck or two. I've been getting a lot of comments from people asking, why am I not getting donations? I'm gonna try to help you as best I can. I'm gonna explain in this video the 3 major reasons why you are not getting donations. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to fix it, and hopefully I'm gonna help you become not rich, but at least get a donation. So let's go ahead and start off with the first reason, which is you. And it's not really that bad, but what I mean is that you are a new streamer, and you have to understand nobody really donates to new streamers unless you're Mr. Beast, and that's just facts. If you want to get donations, it's gonna take a while, and it just takes time. You're gonna have to put in the work, and if you're not willing to put in the work, then you're probably not gonna make any money. You are maybe not entertaining, or you keep asking for money. Those are pretty big reasons that a lot of people don't donate. You're not entertaining. There's so many different things that you can do. Play more entertaining games. Make sure that you're using a mic. Have a bunch of different people in the group. If you're streaming by yourself, it does get a little bit boring because you're gonna have a lot more dull moments. If people start chatting in the chat box, make sure to read those and start responding to them. If you're playing something like Fortnite and you have 3 or 4 people in your squad and you guys are all talking, everybody can hear their voice, it's gonna be a little bit more entertaining. There's less dull moments. Let's move on to the second part. The second part is your bad Twitch setup, and this is something that is so easily fixable. Okay, if you have a bad Twitch setup, then obviously people know that you're new, and you don't want that. You want to blend in as much as you can to look like you know what you're doing, or that you really enjoy doing what you're doing. You can just go on Fiverr and hire someone for $5 and write your bio for you. But if you don't want to and you don't have $5, that's okay. You can just write it yourself. You have no logo, no banner, and you probably have nothing in your bio except for a donation button. So for your bio information, just let people know what kind of games you like to play. Give them a little schedule. Let them know which days you're gonna stream so they know when to come back. Give them a little bit of information about you, that way they know who you are. A logo and a banner, pretty simple to make, especially if you have a PC. Just make a quick little logo and a banner, make it personalized and make it something crafty, something that says it's you. So overall, just have some kind of information in there. Don't just have a donation button, because that's my next problem, is if you only have a donation button. I see this so much, is that when people ask me what's wrong, why aren't they getting donations, and I go and check it out, and they have a ugly donation button and that's all they have in their bio, it looks tacky. And if they only see a donation button, then they think you're only here for money, and you don't want that, because nobody's gonna donate to somebody who's just constantly begging for money. Also, the ugly donation button, that's so easily fixed as well. I showed you in my last video showing you how to set up a donation button. If it shows up with the little checkers, then don't use it. Find another button. Find something better that doesn't have the checkers. And I'm sorry, sometimes they do just show up, but if they do, don't just leave it there. The last 2 things is setting goals and letting people know why you want the money. What are you going to use it for? Are you going to use it to improve your quality, or are you just going to use the money to go buy ice cream? That's something that people want to know if they're giving you their hard-earned money. So say your goal is $100 and you're halfway there, so someone has already donated up to $50. You're only $50 more away from getting $100. They're going to want to help you reach that goal. Put a goal chart or something in the bio. That will work as well, at least until you're able to get the graphics. And by stating what you want, that also helps people know that you're gonna use the money for the stream. They're paying for your entertainment, so they want to be entertained. They're not giving you money to go buy shoes. They're giving you money to stay at home and stream to entertain them. I've seen a lot of videos when people are donating to people, when they see that they're trying to buy a new laptop or buy a new camera or something. Lastly, we have your quality. This one is a major one. I see this a lot whenever people complain to me that they're not getting donations, and I go and check out their Twitch account. I see people streaming at 480p. I don't understand why you are streaming at something that is as bad as a 2007 cell phone quality. There's no reason to be watching a stream that looks like a VCR tape. Everything should be 1080p with a minimum of 720p. Minimum. That's it, and that's only if your internet can't handle it. If you can handle it, then definitely stream 1080p. Let your viewers decide if they want to watch it at a lower resolution depending on their internet or whatever they can handle. And the best way to improve your quality is by being hardwired. If you are streaming on your Xbox, hardwire to your Xbox. Go on to Amazon and buy a 20-foot Ethernet cord if that's what you have to do, so you can be hardwired to provide a good quality stream. Lag is is a horrible thing to have for viewers. Nobody wants to watch somebody lagging all the time, having bad audio for your microphone. So if you can't afford to invest on a microphone, maybe that's why you need donations. Find ways to improve your audio, or ask somebody if you can borrow their microphone while you stream so you can provide your viewers with some good audio. That would definitely help, and that's something that's a pet peeve, not just for me, but for a lot of people. We don't like listening to something that sounds like when you are streaming. It sounds horrible, and nobody wants to listen to that. And for the final tip, this is the best one, okay? This is a little bit of a secret, so don't tell a lot of people about this. If you are streaming, you have about 10 viewers. What you want to do is have one of your family members or a friend, somebody, go onto your Twitch account, okay, and donate to you, but make it look like as if they're just some random viewer. Once people see that someone starts donating, they're gonna feel the urge to donate to you as well. It makes them want to donate because they don't want to be left out. It's just human nature. And then if you have another friend donate, then people are gonna be like, holy crap, this guy is worth donating to, and they're gonna keep on doing it. And they see that you're getting closer to whatever you're trying to invest on. So all of it ties in together. This will help you the most, in my opinion. Last tip, don't call it donations, call it tips. You're not a charity. Nobody's trying to hand you out money. It's a tip. You're working, you're entertaining. So they're gonna tip you for your entertainment. Just calling it a tip makes it sound a little bit better. Other than that, I think that's about all I can help you guys with. But thank you guys very much. I hope these did help you. I know this video is a little bit long. Once you guys become millionaires, don't forget about me. Maybe you'll donate to me, okay? Okay. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. A21 Aaron is out. Peace out, gangsters. Deuces.
A21 Aaron 1.